Hey guys, it's your girl Renee, and today is going to be another edition of Cooking in the Kitchen with Renee. So, remember, I promised you that we would be making some pancake mix. Well, child, today is the day. So, this is what I usually store my pancake mix in. It's one of those plastic containers. And remember, in Walmart, I was looking for a bigger container, like a big, huge glass, or even a plastic container. And I saw a few in there, but I was like, I've got to have something in my house. So I'm going to look around, see what I can find. And if I can't find anything, then I will even get one of those big old Tupperware containers would be perfect, because it's just something that has a airtight seal that will allow my ingredients to stay fresh. But if you guys are like me, child, this doesn't last very long. So this is an old popcorn container that I received as a gift. And this one is 12 ounces. So this whole container is 12 ounces. So, child, this is perfect for me for now. So as you can see on my container, I have written all the ingredients that you can need. So you can go ahead and screenshot that, but I will tell you exactly what we're going to be making. So you normally, for this pancake mix, you're going to need 1 cup of flour. It could be all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar. I don't like to make mine too sweet, because you're going to be putting like your syrup on there, or you might put some fruit on there, or anything that already has a sweetness for it. You're going to need 2 tablespoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of salt. Blend it all together. And then when you're ready to make your pancake mix, you're going to add a cup of milk, 1 egg beaten, 2 tablespoons oil, and then you're just going to mix it together. Make sure your griddle and stuff is hot and it's sprayed. And then you just spoon your pancake mix onto your skillet and get ready to enjoy some beautiful, tasty pancakes or waffles. Perfect mix. And making this from scratch by yourself, it is a lot cheaper than going and buying the boxes, because they put all kinds of stuff, preservatives and stuff in those boxes, in order to keep those ingredients fresh for a longer period of time. And like I said, just make as much of your pancake mix that you're going to be using for your family. See, this right here for me is perfect, because if I use a little bit of this, I can get 6 to 8 pancakes out of this. Or if I know I want a batch, I usually just shake mine in the bowl, and I can just eyeball my stuff, and I'll know how many pancakes that batter will make. So let's go and get this pancake mix put together. So like I said, we are going to double this. So instead of having 1 cup of flour, I have 2 cups of flour right here. And then we're going to add in the sugar. So let me get situated, and we'll be back. And let's get this pancake mix put together. And then we're going to pour it in this container. And hopefully I can fill it all the way to the top. And so I will have pancake mix ready whenever I need to make some delicious pancakes or waffles. Are you with me? Are you on this train? Because we are going to be doing a series of things you can make from scratch. Because my mama used to make everything from scratch. She never did any kind of box stuff until she got a little bit older. And then she would send me to the store to get a few things that she was like, girl, I can't be making that no more. So that's how I learned all my tricks in my trade from my mom. Thanks, Mom. Rest in heaven. I know you're having a fantastic job, and I'm hoping that you're proud of me, because I'm still using all the tools and everything you taught me about cooking in the kitchen. All right, guys, let's get this pancake mix made. Woohoo! Look at that pancake mix. Here we come. All right, guys, let's get this pancake mix made. So, like I said, we're doubling it. So I have 2 cups of flour in this bowl. You guys see that? Yeah, better. And I need 2 tablespoons of sugar. So 2 tablespoons of sugar. And then I need 2 tablespoons of baking powder. You know, it took me forever to figure out what this little shelf on the can was for. When I found out that was to level off your ingredients that was in the can, I was like, now that's genius. So here we go with our 2 tablespoons of baking powder. Now let's get our salt, 1 teaspoon. So we're gonna need 2 teaspoons. All right. Now we're just going to mix this all together. Mix it together. I've seen people use like a sifter and put their flour through it, and then they put their other ingredients in there. And I was like, oh, that's a cool idea. So we're going to take our container, and if I need more, then I'll come back off camera and I'll just make this batter up again, this ingredient. So I've stirred it all together. Looking good. Now I'm just going to spoon it into our container. Let me get a big spoon. This will be perfect. We're just going to spoon this bad boy in here. I probably could have made another batch because I don't think this is going to fill it up. But you guys get the gist of it, what you need to do to make your pancake mix. And that's all you do. Easy peasy. A little bit left that I have in there. We don't want to miss any of that goodness. Didn't get to the top like I wanted to, so I'll come back, like I said, off camera, and I will make another batch of that. So, and then when you want to make your pancake mix, like I said, you just have to add a cup of water, 1 egg, 2 tablespoons of oil, mix it together, and you will have your pancake mix. All right, guys. So that is my video showing you how to make your pancake mix. I hope you will jump on this baking things from scratch so we can start filling up our pantries with all the things that we need. All right, you guys. So, like I said, jump on that train so we can start making things for scratch. I'm going to start looking into making like Lipton onion soup, gravy mix from scratch, taco seasonings, all that kind of things that we can all make from scratch. So as soon as I find out what ingredients we need for those type of things and many more, your girl will come back and I will walk you through the process, because by the end of this growing season, I'm going to clear out a section in my kitchen for more seasonings, and we're going to start taking those seasonings one by one, and we are going to eliminate getting those packages that we purchase at the store, and we're going to have our homemade and made from scratch. We're going to throw them packages out the way. Let me show you some of the packages that I'm talking about. Okay, these are the things that I'm talking about, like this Lipton onion soup. We don't need that. We can make that for ourselves from scratch. This fajita seasoning mix, we can do that too. Toss that away. How about some brown gravy? We're going to figure out how to make our own brown gravy. Yeah, taco seasoning. I know that's easy to make because you can look over here on the ingredients and look at their ingredients. It says cornstarch, chili powder, some kind of salt that I know is not the salt that we use, and spices, which is onion powder. Come on now. Tell me we don't have that kind of stuff. And they got some kind of soybean oil, silicone dioxide, cornstarch, and some natural flavors. We got that. Come on, you guys. We can do this. We can make all these seasonings from scratch. So if you're on this train with me, give me a thumbs up. Put your hand in the comments because your girl is going to start filling up my pantry with great seasonings that we can make from things that we already have in our pantries, already have things that we can grow in our gardens, like onions, like that Lipton onion soup, I know has crushed up dried onions. We're growing onions in our garden. We're just going to go out there, get some of them onions, put them in the dehydrator, or put them in our oven on slow, cook it on a low heat, and you can dry those onions out and crunch them up and add it to the Lipton onion soup with all the other ingredients. So we got this. I know we can do this. We're a family and we are great gardeners and we are great cooks and we can come together and help each other figure these ingredients out so we don't have to go to that grocery store and pay all that money for all the things like that are way too expensive, and ingredients in those packages we can't even pronounce or don't even know what they are. Don't get fooled by that package. Miss Renee has come to the conclusion that I'm making my own stuff. My mama did it. Your grandmamas did it, and they did not have to go to the grocery store. Back in their day, some of them couldn't even get to the grocery store or didn't have the funds to buy all those things. So they said, we gonna make our own. And I don't know about you, but my grandmother always had something in some kind of mason jar, some kind of old pickle jar, or some kind of container that she go, baby, you go in that kitchen and you get that jar that got that yellow top and bring it to me so I can add it to this mixture. Did we question it? Nope. We just went in there, got that thing, that jar or whatever with the yellow top, brought it to our grandma. She sprinkled it in there, stirred it up, and the next thing you know, we were eating it and we were not complaining. If anything, we were saying, Grandma, this sure does taste good. And she goes, anything that you make from scratch, baby, always tastes good because it is made with love and the ingredients that you and your grandfather grew out in that garden in the back. I know y'all can relate. So I'm saying to you, we can do it too. They can do it back in the day. We can do it on this day. 2025 is our day to take back our power to grow and make our own seasonings and our own kind of blends that we know we need for our family to keep us healthy and strong. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this edition of making our own pancake mix. And if you guys have any suggestions or if you have some videos that shows me how to make some seasoning blends, let your girl know. I'll come over there and check out your video, and then I'm going to be following your lead. All right, love you much, and Miss Renee will see you in the next video. I got to go mix up some more ingredients so I can get my pancake mix all the way to the top. All right, guys, take care and make your own pancake mix, your own seasonings, and stay out of those grocery stores. Come on, my old school cooks. You know how to do it. Help your girl out. Give me some suggestions. Show me. Show me the way, because if I can, I'm definitely going to show you the way. All right. Take care.